So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. Just below that you can see the total miles of this car, which are 1,871, and in the centre we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can actually change the information that's displayed over on the left to any of the things that you saw on that list. The same over on the right hand side as well, so you can have nothing there if you want, or any other things again you've seen on the list, and you can change the information in the centre. If you change the information in the centre, you'll see that a digital readout for the speedometer has now appeared on the right hand side at the bottom. So you'll always have one, it's just a question of where it is. You can also see, if we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons that I was using a moment ago, we have a heated steering wheel which you can access from on here. We have stereo controls which continue on the left hand side. This button turns your cruise control on. Once your cruise control is set, if you hit this button, this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front. It will both speed up and slow down automatically, depending on the car in front's speed. And we've done a YouTube video showing how that works. Similarly, we have a YouTube video showing how the satellite navigation in a Volkswagen car works as well. Very nice colour system, very easy to use. You can pair your phone from here. You can access certain vehicle trip computer information from there as well, and your music. When it comes to radio, you can see we have FM, DAB and internet radio. You can listen to your own music under this one here. In many ways, one of them being Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as making and receiving phone calls. You can adjust from here the passenger temperature and the driver temperature individually. You can also increase and decrease the volume for the stereo here as well. If we back out ever so slightly, this button gives you your full climate control menu. So from up here you can adjust temperatures, fan speed, direction of the air. You can turn the whole system off if you wish to. We can also access our vehicle assist systems on there. We can change the driving mode of the car from individual to sport to comfort and eco. And you saw briefly a second ago flash up on the screen. Press that button and you'll get a reversing camera come up. If you put the vehicle in reverse, it'll come up automatically, or just hit that button. Below that, we have two USB-C inputs, as well as wireless charging for your phone. We have the start and stop button for the car. This one puts it into park. We then have reverse, neutral and drive, followed by an electronic handbrake and auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.